Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome to our channel. Today we'll be discussing the best seat covers for Jeep Wrangler. Owning a Jeep Wrangler means you're no stranger to rugged terrain and adventurous off-road trips. However, with all the mud, dust, and grime that comes with the territory, protecting your vehicle's interior is essential. That's where seat covers come in. In this video, we'll be showcasing some of the top seat covers available in the market to keep your Jeep Wrangler seats clean and well protected. Number 1. Looking for a stylish and durable seat cover for your Jeep Wrangler? Look no further than Oasis Jeep seat covers. Made from high-quality neoprene, these covers are designed to withstand tough off-road conditions and daily wear and tear. With a sleek, modern design and precision fit, these seat covers will not only protect your seats but also enhance the overall look of your Jeep. The non-slip backing ensures that the covers stay in place, and the easy-to-install design means you can have your seats protected in no time. Upgrade your Jeep's interior with Oasis Jeep seat covers today. Number 2. Upgrade your Jeep Wrangler's interior with the Rough Country Jeep seat covers. These covers not only look great, but they also provide durable protection against spills, stains, and daily wear and tear. Made from high-quality neoprene material, these covers are both water-resistant and UV-resistant, ensuring they'll last for years to come. Installation is a breeze, thanks to the simple slip-on design and easy-to-follow instructions. With a snug, custom fit, the Rough Country Jeep seat covers will enhance your Jeep's aesthetic appeal while keeping your seats clean and protected on your off-road adventures. Number 3. The Rugged Ridge Jeep seat covers are a must-have for any Jeep Wrangler owner who wants to protect their seats without sacrificing style. These seat covers are made from high-quality, durable neoprene material that can withstand the rigors of off-road adventures while keeping your seats clean and dry. The sleek black design with red accents gives your Jeep's interior a rugged and sporty look. These seat covers are easy to install and remove, making them perfect for those who want to switch up their Jeep's look frequently. Upgrade your Jeep's interior with the Rugged Ridge Jeep seat covers today. Number 4. The Oasis Auto Jeep seat covers are the perfect addition to any Jeep Wrangler owner's vehicle. The high-quality material provides both comfort and durability, making it ideal for everyday use or those tough off-road adventures. These seat covers are specifically designed to fit the Wrangler perfectly, ensuring a snug and secure fit. Plus, the installation process is straightforward, so you can quickly and easily upgrade your Jeep's interior. The stylish design adds an extra touch of sophistication to your vehicle, making your Jeep look and feel like a true off-road beast. Protect your seats from wear and tear while also giving your ride a stylish upgrade with Oasis Auto Jeep seat covers. Number 5. The Totally Covers Jeep seat covers are an absolute game changer when it comes to keeping your Jeep Wrangler seats in pristine condition. Made from high-quality, durable materials, these covers offer ultimate protection against dirt, grime, and spills. The design is tailored specifically for the Jeep Wrangler, ensuring a snug and secure fit, without any annoying slipping or sliding. These covers are also incredibly easy to install, making them the perfect solution for Jeep owners who want to keep their seats looking brand new. Upgrade your Wrangler's interior with the Totally Covers Jeep seat covers and experience ultimate comfort and protection on all your off-road adventures. Number 6. The Zippu Jeep seat covers are an absolute game changer for Jeep Wrangler owners. With their sleek design and impeccable fit, these seat covers provide excellent protection against dirt, spills, and stains while enhancing the overall look of your Jeep's interior. The high-quality material used in the covers is not only durable but also easy to clean, making maintenance a breeze. With a wide range of colors and designs to choose from, the Zippu Jeep seat covers are a must-have accessory for any Jeep Wrangler owner looking to upgrade their vehicle's aesthetics while protecting its seats. Number 7. Upgrade the interior of your Jeep Wrangler with the Oasis Auto Jeep seat covers. These high-quality seat covers not only provide excellent protection against spills, stains, and UV rays, but they also give your vehicle's interior a stylish and sleek look. Made from premium materials, these covers are designed to withstand the toughest off-road conditions and last for years to come. With easy installation and a perfect fit for your Jeep Wrangler, the Oasis Auto Jeep seat covers are a must-have for any Jeep owner looking to elevate their driving experience. Get yours today and experience the ultimate combination of style and functionality. That concludes our video on the best seat covers for Jeep Wrangler. We hope this guide has been helpful in showcasing the top options available to keep your Jeep's interior clean, protected, and stylish. Remember, investing in high-quality seat covers not only preserves the value of your vehicle but also enhances your driving experience. Whether you're looking for durability, comfort, or aesthetics, there's a seat cover out there for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.